Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Get ready to experience sound like never before with the SVS SB-1000 Pro Sealed Subwoofer. I've had the chance to put this subwoofer to the test, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. From the moment I unboxed it, I knew I was in for a treat. The sleek design, the premium feel, it all screams quality. But what really matters is how it performs, and boy, does it deliver. One of the key features that really stood out to me is the 325 watts RMS and 820 plus watts peak power sledge STA 325D amplifier. This thing is a beast, combining the massive high current output of discrete MOSFETs with Class D efficiency. What that means for you is that you get vanishingly low distortion and nearly limitless on-demand power, all while maintaining driver control. In real-world terms, that translates to a listening experience that's not only powerful, but also incredibly accurate and detailed. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or gaming, this subwoofer brings the energy and emotion to the next level. Another feature that I'm really impressed with is the high excursion 12-inch SVS subwoofer driver. This driver features a dual ferrite magnet motor assembly with a long throw parabolic surround, which allows for extreme excursion. What that means is that it can deliver massive output with finesse and accuracy, even at the most intense listening levels. I've pushed this subwoofer to its limits, and it just keeps on delivering. The bass is deep, it's tight, and it's incredibly well controlled. Whether you're a fan of action movies or electronic music, this subwoofer is going to bring the bass like you've never experienced before. But what really sets the SVS SB-1000 Pro apart is its advanced technology. The 50 MHz analog device's audio DSP renders pinpoint accurate frequency response through advanced in-room tuning and powerful controls. This means that you get room-filling bass that's tailored to your specific space. And with the groundbreaking SVS Subwoofer DSP smartphone app, you have complete control over your subwoofer at your fingertips. You can adjust the volume, manage custom presets, and fine-tune the performance to your heart's content. It's incredibly easy to use, and it makes a huge difference in the overall listening experience. The acoustically inert and rigidly braced sealed subwoofer cabinet is another feature that I want to highlight. This cabinet is designed to create a resonance-free environment for uncompromised performance. The extra thick MDF front baffle and rigid internal bracing ensure that the subwoofer driver can operate at its best without any unwanted vibrations or resonances. And the best part is that it's compact enough to fit in nearly any room or system, making it incredibly versatile. In conclusion, the SVS SB-1000 Pro Sealed Subwoofer is an absolute powerhouse. With its advanced technology, incredible performance, and sleek design, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to take their home audio system to the next level. Whether you're a music lover, a movie buff, or a gamer, this subwoofer is going to bring the excitement and energy to your listening experience. So, if you're ready to upgrade your sound system and experience the best, find the link in the description below to get your hands on the SVS SB-1000 Pro Sealed Subwoofer. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's time to unleash the full potential of your sound system and feel the music, feel the movies, and feel the game like never before.